This plant cover kit combines a long frost cloth with matching hoops and fasteners so you can quickly build a simple backyard greenhouse over raised beds or open rows. The non-woven fabric is thicker than many basic row covers, yet still allows air, light, and moisture to reach your plants, which helps them keep growing instead of just surviving the cold. Because the cloth comes in a long sheet, it can protect a wide planting area or be cut into smaller pieces to fit individual beds, tunnels, or odd-shaped garden spaces. The fiberglass hoops are sturdy, flexible, and do not rust, so they hold their shape through wind and wet weather and can be reused for many seasons. Used properly, the cover and hoops shield crops from frost, harsh sun, and nuisance animals, while also creating a slightly warmer microclimate that can extend the growing season. The included clips, ground pegs, and twist tie make it easier to secure the fabric tightly, reducing gaps that let in cold drafts or pests, and giving the setup a more polished, reliable feel.